Drink turmeric this way once a day and watch what happens to your liver and brain function. The turmeric spice is spoken a lot on the internet. Many researchers have been conducted on this spice to prove its health benefits. Due to the high internet spread of information, turmeric is slowly reaching our kitchens. We use it in our cooking regularly. But do you actually know what boiled turmeric can do to your liver and your brain? Turmeric for brain health. Turmeric can treat physical ailments, but, until recently, turmeric's mental benefits have been relatively unknown. The active ingredient in turmeric, curcumin, is seen as a promising treatment for Alzheimer's disease. A plaque that builds up in the brain of Alzheimer's patients called beta-amyloid plaques is believed to be one of the primary causes of Alzheimer's disease. Researchers found that curcumin can inhibit the buildup of this type of plaque by up to 40%, making it a promising treatment for Alzheimer's. Researchers have also found that curcumin's anti-inflammatory properties play a role in Alzheimer's treatment as well, as it reduces damage caused by inflammation and oxidizing agents. Turmeric has also been used as a treatment for those with depression, liver function and cancer prevention. Another benefit of turmeric that many don't know about is how effective it is in promoting liver health. The main ingredient in turmeric, curcumin, has been used to treat liver diseases for over 100 years, but legitimate scientific research into its effects has not been conducted until recently. Researchers believe that it is the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects of curcumin that make it so beneficial to liver health. Studies have shown that curcumin reduces liver damage caused by ethanol, the type of alcohol that you drink, an overdose, liver disease, such as cholestasis, high toxicity levels, cirrhosis, scarring of the liver. Curcumin has also been found to reduce the risk of developing liver cancer. It does this by reducing the effects that human carcinogens, such as thiostamide, have on the liver. In addition, curcumin reduces the risk of cancer. In addition, turmeric provides many health benefits, including it cures digestion, improves heart health, it relieves arthritis, it lowers cholesterol levels, it lowers high blood pressure, helps to lose weight, treats diabetes, strengthens immunity, heals burns and wounds, soothes migraines and headaches, treats diarrhea, it relieves bronchitis, heals jaundice, eliminates intestinal worms, fight pimples and acne, cures conjunctivitis, improves skin and hair health, reduces the appearance of wrinkles, eliminates stretch marks. Turmeric can easily be included in all kinds of drinks and meals, so we recommend the following easy drink recipes that will improve your overall health. Turmeric water. An excellent way to get your curcumin for the day is to make turmeric water. Ingredients: 1 to 2 cups of water, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric. Directions: boil water, add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric and let it boil for 10 minutes. When you let it cool and drink it, you've created a 12% solution. Turmeric and oil, fat. Another great way to eat it is to mix turmeric with some oil or fat. Ingredients: 2 cups coconut milk, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 1 pinch black pepper. Directions: mix the ingredients and heat in a saucepan, don't boil. Drink while warm. When you combine turmeric with fats, it's more easily absorbed, 7-8x better absorption. You can also try throwing it in a soup, curry, or any recipe of your choosing. Since most recipes have fat in them, the turmeric will flow into you easily and get to work. How to get the most out of it? It is hard for our bodies to absorb the curcumin in turmeric when taken raw. You can actually only absorb 1% of the curcumin. The best way to use turmeric is to buy high-quality certified organic turmeric extract with 95% curcuminoids. This doesn't mean that turmeric isn't doing anything if you eat it every day. In emergency situations, the extract is necessary, but 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric every day will reduce the inflammation in your body and help keep diseases at bay or away. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family too.